This one here is one I would say I'll be the first one there.
Oh, Shawnee, no, don't take some stills now. No, I have them. We can't take stills out of the videos that I've been
My impression has been fantastic. It's truly a life-changing experience to meet the gorillas, especially the first time. You certainly feel a sense of kinship with these animals. You certainly understand that you're sitting close to some very close relatives, and that's quite profound and intense. I'd recommend it for anyone.
How do you think of the facility of this park?
I'd say it's excellent. I think you have to strike a balance between having good access for the tourists, but maintaining the natural beauty of the park. And I think they've done a very good job with the infrastructure. It's quite accessible, but you still feel like you're certainly in the wild, which is what you're here for.
Sunlight, that's so good.
I live in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, where we have big mountains, but not like these. It's just been a wonderful experience to see the gorillas up close, and it wasn't scary at all.
Oh, love it. Very, very calm, happy, welcoming. I felt
Cute babies.
the children, and it's like a human baby. I saw one opening and closing its hand.
This is my first time to Rwanda in the jungle. I've been in rainforests, but never to Africa, especially Rwanda. It's beautiful. I've been reading a lot about what's been happening historically in Rwanda, and I'm just so happy to see the park organized and being taken care of, and helping people work and help us get through the jungle to see these incredible animals that just are like nothing I've ever seen before.